Hello guys, Kevin here with another unboxing. And yesterday was my birthday and I was expecting this arcade block to come on my birthday, which was May 5th, but it did not. It came today on Wednesday, May 6th. And if you're wondering why I'm putting this video late, it's because I did have a lot of stuff to do. That's why I haven't been uploading consistently like I would. But all the tests, all the other stuff that I worried is over now, so I could probably just upload things now. I uploaded a couple of videos yesterday, I think 2 or 3 videos. I still have about 8 videos to upload, and including this one, so I have a lot of uploading to do. So this month, Arcade Block had 2 items. One is from Skylanders, I know that much. And Final Fantasy, I think. I'm not sure because I've been very busy. It's hard to keep track which has what. Because this April has... Wait, no, yeah, April. Yeah, this is the last box. It came in May. Surprisingly, this came very late. It came May 6th. They shipped these May 4th... Well, not May... April 24th or the following Monday. I got this like 2 weeks later, so everyone's reviewed this already. But I want to show you guys my opinion about it, because that's why you guys watch my opinion. There's let me give a brief explanation what Arcade Block is. It's like a nerd block, except it's for video game related items. And you always get a t-shirt, and this box is always pertaining to video game related items like Far Cry 4, Batman Arkham City, Legend of Zelda, Mario, all those games. Basically, and more and more. I just giving you a short list of what it is. And it is a subscription service that comes from Canada. If you're an American, you pay $30. I don't know how much people pay in Canada, but it's probably less than, probably $25, maybe $20. I don't know. And I'm also wearing one of the Avengers t-shirts I got from their blog, so that's actually pretty cool. And I'm wearing my Transformers app because I rarely wear it. I wore it today a little bit earlier. That's a lot of words. It's already 2 minutes. I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's get to that t-shirts. Okay. T-shirts right here. It's easier to sell now because they put a label. These t-shirts come from Shirt Punch, so they're kind of rare. If not, you have to get a third party to get this t-shirt. So. Do you see the design? Is it cool? Is it something that I know? Oh, this is from... No, wait, not... This is from... I know this. Kingdom Hearts. Yeah, Kingdom Hearts. This is from Kingdom Hearts. One of my friends loves to play Kingdom Hearts. So, he always talked about this. So, DeKalb, if you're watching this video, enjoy the shirt. Enjoy the picture on my shirt. So, I don't know. It's pretty cool. I like it. It's cool. Oh yeah, I already know this is because of my little brother. This. Oh wow. It's a Skylander that fell apart. Yeah, it's a Skylander that fell apart. Wow, this was not taped very well. See, when you're packaging stuff like this, they put a layer of glue adhesive right there. I'm guessing this is one of the few that they didn't glue very well. Nothing's broken because you know it's a toy for a video game, so you have to open this and put it in the game. But pretty cool. This costs $10. Surprisingly. So, $15 shirt plus shipping, you know. If you're going to buy it online, 15 and 20. I mean, 10. So, that's 25 right there. Pretty cool. I don't play the game. My little brother has 2 versions of it. Giants and the Swap Force. Oh, I got a lot of uploading to do, guys. Okay. And this is a level up. This is... Oh, this is from... It's an arcade exclusive. This is from Zelda. Or Link. Or... Yeah, this is from Zelda. Legend of Zelda. I forget which game, but... That is a chest. How do I know that? Because I've recently watched a lot of YouTube videos about Zelda, so I had to because I was kind of ashamed of myself that I got an arcade block. What is this? Oh, it's an arcade block exclusive. You can just put on your keys. Where's the camera? Right there. See? It's a level up. See? It's an 8-bit treasure. Backpacks, hoodies, magic keys, and more. That's actually pretty cool. I like it. I like it. Ooh, what is this? Oh, okay. Oh, this is a Pac-Man item. It's a salt and pepper pots. Huh. I really don't need this. I mean, it's cool. I gotta admit, I do like Pac-Man. These are cool. So, what these are is salt and pepper shakers. You know, where you put salt in your eggs or peppers on your eggs if you're really into that. It's pretty cool. I like it. I don't think it works. I mean, it's cool to show your geeky side, but this is just weird. They show Blinky and Inky, which is the blue and red ghosts from Pac-Man. Okay, this is about, I don't know, $10, maybe $8, $5, I don't know. I'm not really good on pricing. It's my bad habit. I just open the box and show my reaction. Yeah, so what is this? I have no idea what this is. Video Game Live Level 4 Arcade Block Edition, only from Arcade Block. I've actually heard of this band on E3, because my brother, what he does is he always watches E3 videos, so my little brother was talking about this, so I guess this is actually cool, because these things go for $8, and since it's an exclusive from a name brand, people who play, oh, you know what I'm trying to say, from people who make music, this is actually could go more, so, depending, but I like it, it's pretty cool. We got a magazine. Huh. We got a retro magazine with the Mortal Kombat. Pretty cool. Yeah, it talks about Rise from Your Grave. Okay, this is talking about old consoles. And look, shameless plug. Nah, I love you, Arcade Block. You're pretty cool, so. Shameless plug. Yeah, okay, this gives you an oversight of video game history. That's actually pretty cool. I like it. Swag bag. So, I have no idea what swag bag is, but swag bag sounds cool. Pretty darn cool for now. Yeah, this just talks about old video games. This is one about Mortal Kombat. Global Gamer, I don't know. So this magazine's pretty cool. I dig it. Okay, Soul Calibur, Seth Killian. Oh, I was thinking of Iron Man 3, Killian from, from Iron Man 3, Seth Killian. I was thinking Killian from Iron Man 3, I don't know why. I ramble. Yeah. So we have two poster cards. I don't know if one's just placement. Okay. What did you think of this arcade block? We'd like to know. Cheat code I want to use in real life. What's your real life cheat code? Fill out this card, snap a pic, tag it with arcade block 2, chance a retro and 5 system. Oh, okay. Basically, they want your feedback. So people, if you want stuff that you don't like and stuff that you want them to remove or stuff that you want to add to NerdBlock, please go to NerdBlock to their Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Say, I want this video game related item or this, because it does help out, and maybe they'll hear your advice and probably you get mentioned or something. I don't know, but hopefully that works. And this is a spoilery card, so yeah. Pac-Man Salt and Pepper Shakers. It's It's video game approved apparently. Kingdom Hearts T-shirt, boom. Skylander figure, level Video Games Live level 4 treasure chest zipper pull. Oh, it's a zipper pull. You know, if you wear a hoodie and all you have to do is just put it right there, you can wear this on your hoodie. There. This is stuff that I would do. And the retro magazine. Okay, see? That's a lot of stuff. You get a lot of stuff in this box. And this, it says it's about 2 pounds. I had my little brother remove the text. They usually spoil it on the tag. So yeah. I think that's about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you love this video and you want to see more content, please subscribe or give it a like or a comment telling me how good I am at sort of reviewing this, or advice you can give me on doing other things. But thank you guys, and I hope you enjoy. Bye. Peace.